Yo, welcome back to the channel. Look what the heck I got back here. Elkas in a box, and I have not opened them yet. So let's just do an unboxing of Elka shocks. I don't think there's anything on the internet like that. Usually it's something like iPhone 12 or iPhone 13 or iPhone 400, whatever, you know. We're gonna unbox some Elkas today. Want to show you. And then of course I'm gonna do an install video and a test ride video and all that fun stuff. Well, let's get the Elkas unboxed. Have not cracked it open yet. As you can see, it's sealed and stapled. Look at the staple. I'm not gonna tear my knife up popping that off. So instead, I'm gonna tear up my finger. Here we go. Let's see, what are they gonna look like? What do we got? Lots of stuffing. Lots of stuffing. Ooh, they're looking sexy. Look at this thing. I'm having to do this one-handed because I don't have a cameraman or a dedicated cameraman. But look at that, baby. Woo! Hopefully that's worth. Yeah, what do these things cost? 500 a piece. A little less than that. 400 a piece. Something like that. So I don't know if this is the front or rear, but let everyone check it out. I know some of y'all riding on Elkas. These are stage 3s. Stage 3 Elkas. Let me know what you think. It's pretty sweet. Front or rear, we'll find out. But just wanted to show you. And this is the front. It says right here. It is inspected by YH. So thanks YH for inspecting my shock. And then here's another one. Looks like another front. And the rears are back here. Let's see if it looks any different. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, it's a little bigger. And the rear. So there we go. The Elkas officially landed. The Elkas are here in my garage. So what I'll do is put those bad boys on. I'll probably wash this up. I don't know if I have time or not. But I'll try to make some time and wash up the foiler so we can put a fresh set of clean Elkas. Replace these OEMs. Show you what that entails. I've never done that before, but probably pretty easy. I've replaced shocks on my Z71 I had in the past. So this can't be nearly as hard as that. We won't need a compression or anything like that, I'm sure. So, hope you're ready to see that. Give this video a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe, all that fun stuff. But thanks again. See you soon. Twice. There, if you want to float across something, just take the old brute force with some noodles on it.